You are going to get 2 of these vertical magnetic strips in your box. This is how we're going to use to connect the screen to the existing roller door tracks. You see it's got a magnet here and on the base. What we're going to do is we're going to grip the magnet side and pop it straight onto the existing track. And you're going to hear a nice little bang. That means it's stuck on there. And you're going to repeat the process with this side. Boom. We have 2 versions of our warehouse screen. We have the gated version, which opens like a giant gate, and we have the magnetic version. All come with exactly the same components and the same things. However, for the gated one, we use hinges and fix it just a little bit differently. So this is the magnetic version. Jump to the next video if you want to use the gated version. So basically, this magnet is now attached to the existing garage door track. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure from the far side here all the way to the far side of the opposite. And that's how big we're going to make the screen so it fits perfectly on here. So we're going to measure from here all the way across. Now we've got the measurement of the total width of the door we want to build. What we're going to do is we're going to measure the entire amount, which I know is 5,500 mil for this one. This is a standard kit. And assuming the door that we were making was 4,800. So that's 700 mil we need to take off the total width. And what we're going to do is take that evenly, half off that side and half off that side. And the reason being is that we want the center door to be directly in the middle. 1, it's engineered to work like that strength-wise. And 2, aesthetically, it looks better. If you want your door to be off-center, then for whatever reason, then you can always cut more off one side. Our suggestion, though, would be to cut half off either side so the door always stays in the center. So I'm going to measure now. This frame is 5,500 wide. That is our standard kit. And we wanted to cut it down to 4,800, which means there's a 700 mil difference in the kit to what we need. So what I'm going to do is get 700 and divide it by 2, which is 350. And I'm going to measure 350 mil from this end. And I am going to mark it like so. I'm going to repeat this process with all 4 corners. What I've done is we're going to use the drop saw just to cut the ends to size. What I've done is I've just chalked up a few different areas to make it nice and level, so we make sure that cut is nice and straight. So now what you're going to do is you're going to cut directly through, and then you're going to repeat the process on all 4 corners until your screen becomes the exact size that you want.